Hello mga ka-FG! Welcome to Phil Global Immigration Services Corporation. I'm Miss Jasmine Andrada, one of the pathway consultant here at Phil Global. And we are live here at second floor Times Plaza Building, Ermita, Manila. And I'm here with our approved client who going to Canada, Ma'am Jeline and Sir Jerome. Hi ma'am and sir, kamusta po?
Hello po ma'am. Okay lang naman po. Excited na medyo kinakabahan. Mix of emotion.
Ikaw sir, ano po ngayon na-approve na kayo? Anong nararamdaman mo ngayon?
Siyempre po, masaya. Kasi, kahit maraming pinagdaanan, eto.
Ayan,
okay
so
na.
approved na kayo, malapit na kayong umalis. No? So, can you tell us po yung ating program, school ma'am, and then yung courses po na kukunin niyo po?
We're going to UNFC, University of Niagara Falls in Ontario, Canada. Taking Master of Arts in Digital Media and Global Communication po. And yeah, that's a 2 years program, master program po.
And then si sir po is?
Open work permit.
Wow. So yun, makakasama mo siya ma'am during the applications nyo, no? So, how did you find Phil Global? Saan niyo po kami nakita po?
Well, actually, on social media, I'm actually doing like, doing lot of searches about agency regarding student and open work permit. Luckily, I found Sir Fred and marami kaming common friends or mutual friends. Doon na nag-start, nagkaroon ng, na-build yung trust sa isa't isa since, okay, hindi naman siguro to or what. Kasi may mutual friends naman kami na sure naman yan na okay. And then we decided to go to Phil Global.
That's great to hear po. No? So kasi, si Phil Global kasi, very kami, ma'am. So, active kami sa Facebook, sa mga Instagram, and also TikTok. Yan, nag-a-advertise talaga kami yan. And very legit naman po si Phil Global. Thank you for trusting po, no? So, how was your experience po during your entire application with Phil Global po?
Very smooth naman po since very hands-on din ni Sir Fred as my pathway consultant po. And then, lahat naman po ay na-accommodate ninyo yung mga questions namin. Kung may mga kailangan kami clarify, na-accommodate. So, overall, it was a good experience with Phil Global. Na good choice na we choose Phil Global.
Thank you, ma'am, for trusting Phil Global. So, next question ko po sa inyo, no? Would you recommend Phil Global po to all our aspiring student po out there?
Yes, definitely. For all those who are still searching for a sign, kung ano bang agency ang dapat nating kunin or i-grab this year or kahit next year pa yan, go with Phil Global. Very legit. You could actually check their Facebook account, TikTok, and sa Google, they have a lot of good reviews na rin from different members of Phil Global. Marami na rin silang napala. So, yeah, I actually have a cousin who na-refer ko na actually si Phil Global. Wow. She's actually thinking twice kung kung magtutuloy sila. So, yeah, hopefully.
Yeah, so magtuloy na sana.
Yeah, sana. Sabi ko sumunod na and kami naman is welcome naman sila sa amin just in case na tumuloy. Para may kasama na rin kaming kamag-anak doon.
Yeah, that's good to hear, ma'am. So, what advice would you give po sa ating mga aspiring student po? Then, ano po ba yung pwede mong sabihin ngayon sa iyong mga family, friends, and relatives na of course, in the future may balak din po na mag-abroad, mag-study abroad?
For me po, just never lose hope.
Yes.
Especially if you are dreaming of going abroad and this is your dream country, well, never lose hope. For me kasi, dami struggle namin as husband and wife during the process. Gawa po ng, syempre, of course, a budget, and I have 2 kids na may iwan. So, yeah, and recently I was involved in an accident. So, sabi ko, matutuloy pa ba to or what? And then, siguro, plan na rin ni Lord na magkasabay kami na-accident ako tapos nagkasabay kami. Kasi kung hindi ako natuloy nung October, mauna ako. Ayun, tapos siya ay susunod na lang. So, nung nangyari yung accident, sabi ko, siguro will ni Lord na magsabay na tayo. Para kung di nangyari yun, mauna ako, tapos siguro malulungkot ako whatsoever. And then yun, it's blessing in disguise na rin.
Yan. Ikaw, Sir Jerome, baka may masasabi ka sa mga family and friends mo po na balak din mag-abroad.
Ayun, ano ba? Basta ano lang, pag-isipan nilang mabuti, tapos kung gusto katulad sa case ko, kung gusto ng asawa ko, support lang nila. Kasi hindi rin naman masama yung idea, di ba?
Yes, correct.
Although may iwan dito, kumbaga, para din sa future.
Yes, correct.
Yes.
For the future ng
For the
family. Yan.
future.
Makukuha niyo po eventually rin yung inyong mga anak. So, last message, ma'am, to Phil Global po.
Thank you, Phil Global, for achieving one of our dreams, matupad na kahit paano matuloy kami sa Canada. Marami mang struggles along the way. We're able to conquer it. And yeah, very thankful ako, especially kay Sir Fred, kay Ma'am Irene, na all along the process ay nandiyan dyan. And to Sir Birch, na nandiyan dyan, nanonood. Thank you so much po, sir.
So, yan. So, we hope for your, yung goal po ninyo is makuha nyo, no? So, lahat po kayo magkasama-sama ng inyong family. And Phil Global Family will here po to help you po. Kahit po kayo po is mag-PPR na daw.
Thank
Okay,
you po,
ma'am.
hopefully.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your presence po na makarating kayo dito. And thank you so much for choosing Phil Global.
Thank you din po.
Thank you, mga ka-FG.